video, we'll make a magnet shaped like a prominent circular backpack that belongs to Finn the human from Adventure Time. We'll need 2 pieces of light and dark lime green foam rubber, polystyrene wall insulation, a magnet sheet, yellow thread, an eye pin, sandpaper in the size 320, scissors, cardstock, a craft knife, and an aerosol can top as a support for the craft. Cut out a 2 by 3 inch square from the wall insulation. Use the craft knife. Cut the corners down. Continue cutting out to get the smooth round outline. Cut down the edges. The base detail looks like a soap bar. Smooth the base with the sandpaper. Place the backpack base onto the support. Heat the iron. Put a square piece of foam rubber to the iron for a few seconds. As soon as the material becomes flexible, set it on the base and pull up. Hold until cool. Shape the second piece in the same way. Put both details on top of the base. Make a cross cut. Take the smaller light lime green detail and the bigger dark green. Mark the junction on the base. Now make the backpack straps. Cut out 2 3/8 inch cardboard strips. Attach one strip to the light foam rubber. Add some hot glue and cover it with the foam rubber to sandwich the white strip between the lime green. Turn it over and add some hot glue. Wrap the strip again. Cut off the excess. Attach the dark green foam rubber to the strip to make the lower part of the strap. Repeat the same steps you did for the upper part. Make the second strap in the same way. Put a piece of light foam rubber onto the back side of the base. Mark the places of the strap attachment. Make small cuts with the nail scissors. Put the light green end of the strap into the cut. Attach it to the back. Attach the second strap in the same way. Attach the detail with the straps to the back side of the base. Make the dark green detail. Cut off the excess. Attach the dark green detail to the middle of the back. Put the straps in. Hot glue the lower part of the detail. Attach the front side details across the edges. Stick the light lime green on the top. Add the dark green to the bottom. Carefully cut off the excess using the nail scissors. Cut out a small dark green oblong piece. Attach it to the center of the light detail. Hot glue the pin and stick it into the base on top. Cut out a small circle from the magnet sheet. Thread a pin eye. Tie a knot. Attach the thread to the magnet circle. Hot glue a light green semicircle to the magnet. Add the same dark green detail lower than the light one. Cut off the excess. Let's check out what we've made. Cool! The cool refrigerator magnet shaped like Finn the Human's backpack is ready. Leave your comments, hit the like button if you liked the idea. Subscribe to our channel and make the new crafts inspired by the favorite cartoons.